Peppa and George are playing at Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig's house. Grandpa, catch! Catch! Watch this. Dinosaur. Oh, dinosaur. Grandpa, what are you doing? I'm planting these seeds. Seeds? What is seeds for? Seeds grow into a plant. I just dig a little hole and put the seed in. Then I cover it with earth and water it. Everything in my garden grows from tiny seeds like this. Even the big apple tree? Oh yes, these tiny seeds will grow into a little apple tree like this. Ooh, and that little apple tree will grow into a big apple tree like this. Ouch! And inside this apple are more seeds to make more apple trees. Exactly. Grandpa, I want to plant a seed. Would you like to plant a strawberry seed? Yes, please. These seeds will grow into a lovely strawberry plant. First, make a little hole. Then I put the seed in and cover it with earth. Should I water it for you? No, I want to water it. Good. Now we wait for it to grow. Peppa and George are waiting for the seed to grow. It's not doing anything. You have to be patient, Peppa. It will take a long time to grow. Peppa, George, it's time to go home. But we wait for my strawberry plant to grow. I wanted strawberries for tea. Don't worry, Peppa. Next time you come, the seed will have grown into a plant. And we'll have strawberries. Yes. Come on, Peppa. Bye-bye, Grandpa. Bye-bye, strawberry. Grandpa Pig looks after Peppa's strawberry plant. After many days, Grandpa Pig finds a tiny plant growing. Day by day, the plant grows bigger and bigger. Then one day, Grandpa Pig finds something very special. Strawberry. Grandpa, we are back. Peppa and George have come to play again. Grandpa, did my plant grow? Yes, look. Strawberries. Thank you, Grandpa. Grandpa, can you plant something else? Yes, now it's George's turn to choose. Yes, you choose, George. Choose a carrot. Grandpa, I think George wants to grow carrots. George, would you like to grow a carrot? No. What would you like to grow? George has thought of something he wants to grow. Dinosaur. George wants to grow a dinosaur tree. Silly George. Dinosaurs don't grow on trees. Dinosaur.